Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and this is what we're going to be doing today. You can see all these adorable little Halloween enameled charm pendants here. I know you can see the legs to my tripod, but I couldn't get the camera to, you can't adjust it, right? It's a tiny tripod. Anyway, just wanted to show you what I received from Globleland.com. It is a craft and arts website. So I guess it's kind of a sponsored video. I did a video last week where, well, I'm not sure when I'm going to post this. A week and a half, 2 weeks ago. Of the unboxing of this. So I'll link that below and you can check that out. And so this is everything you get in the kits. Now I thought before I did this video, I thought, well, I'm not going to do it because looks like they're sold out of this particular kit. So I went online and they have a lot of other cute kits in there. I'm not sure if they have any where you get, all the findings with it, but they do have where you get a bunch of the enameled charms in a kit, and I'll post the ones that are really, I'll put a direct link to the ones that are really cute, the ones I really like, and you can get it, it's a 10% discount with my code JEWEL10, which I'll also post in this video. And but these are really cute. Now if you're a jewelry maker, you've bought these enamel charms before from everywhere, and I was a little hesitant picking them out because you don't know the quality you're going to get. But these are a really decent, good quality for these charms. I like the way they look in person. It looks like a decent quality charm, so and I'm all about that. I'm always very hesitant about doing a collab, which you don't see me do much with companies because you don't know what you're going to get. So I'm very happy with these, and I thought I'll go ahead and do make some earrings with this. This is an earring kit, so they give you all the earring findings, the earring hooks here. You got some jump rings and stuff. So I wanted to show you. Where is the? Oh, here it is. Here is. You also get a planogram with it, which looks like this. I hope it's not too much light. Looks like this. It shows you how they should look, which is very easy. And then on the back, it shows you, goes step-by-step instructions. So we have that, and we're gonna get started. I already started on a pair, so we'll get started and see how that goes. It's our little cat charms. They're cute. It's the back. So we have those, and I have them in my little deviled egg display here because I haven't made deviled eggs in many years. So, but I thought I'd keep this pretty platter here, and it came in handy. And here's a little sliced cake with an eyeball on top. Cute. And there's the same cats. Here's a different cat. A pumpkin. And you got your little eyes here. The little ghost holding a pumpkin. The back of that. Cute. Then of course you get these little bows with hooks on it, and you can see all the other findings. You got some round beads here. You got these little pumpkin beads. And this is one that I already made. I'm gonna make the other one. But look how cute it comes out. I mean, this is super, I mean, they're super cute. It's the back. Very cute. And this is very easy to do. So I'll do this one. Of course, if you make jewelry, you know how it's already done. You can probably look at it and figure it out. So do one of these. And I'm going to move this out of the way. My little handy deviled egg platter here. I'll get this out of the way here and we will be right back. Okay, and we are back. So I have what I'm going to be using here. I'm just going to make another one of these right now. And so let's get started doing that. These are stainless steel, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bead on here. And of course, I want my, let's see, I want that going in the same direction as this one, my loop here. I'm gonna have to cut this down a little bit. See how much I want on there. Let me bend that back. Okay, it's pretty bendable with just my hands. And I'm going to cut this down. I think that's good. Don't want to make it too small because, come on. There we go. Well, that flew across the room. Let's get this going in the same direction. That's probably a little too long, but let's see. Oops. Doing these are not my thing. I can tell you that. I'm more of a bead weaving type person, if you see my videos. But I've really been getting into making this kind of jewelry this year or so. I've gotten a lot better at this. It doesn't match exactly, but that's good. Just want to straighten this out a little bit. So they're going in the same direction. The loops are. Okay. We're just gonna open that bottom loop up and put it on there. I'll do this one. And this is the perfect time to start making your Halloween items here, your Halloween goodies. There you go, is the bottom half. And we'll just open this up here. Like I said, it's really self-explanatory, but just wanted to show you because for it being so simple, it really does come out quite cute. Put the little bow on here. Let's put this here. So I'll tighten that up a little bit. Okay, there we go. And then you put your little earring wire on. And of course you can add some of your own items from your stash at home that you have. You know, you can add that on here and there you go. Simple but really cute, I think. I mean, this is a great project for, you know, if you have grandkids, something like that. So again, I'll leave the link. I'm going to go ahead and make more of these earrings, but I'm just not going to do it here. And then I'll come back and show you what they look like. But, you know, I think it has a lot of wow factor. For my light is flickering. Of course it's going to flicker now. I think they have a lot of wow factor for being so simple, honestly. Cute. So I'll be back in a minute with some more finished Halloween earrings. And you know, you can always give these out because they're really inexpensive to make. I think the kit was it $9 something? And you get a lot in the kit. Make great Halloween trick-or-treat little gifts instead of candy for, you know, relatives or something like that. You know, something cute to give out instead of candy, or with candy to your relatives. Of course you can't, you know, give them out to the whole neighborhood. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute and show you what I have finished. We'll see what they look like. Alright, don't go nowhere.